Hey guys, we're trying something a little bit different today. It's me and the kiddos taking over the channel. We are a little bit late on the gift pack, but what happened was they said I didn't qualify, and I'm assuming it had something to do with me and the Hubs both having accounts and somehow. But anyway, I reached out to them and they were very kind and gracious, and they looked into it and decided that I did earn a pack here. So here we go. Are you guys excited? Yeah? Who do you think we're going to get?
I don't know.
Are you ready? All right, let's see. All right, do the honors there. Let's open it. Here we go. Woo, look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
I'm gonna do it. Can I do it?
All right, Donovan Mitchell, 24-11. I think we did pretty good, guys.
Can I do it?
Good job.
Can I
See you
do it?
guys later.